Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the "Oh, who is she" TikTok trend video. If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this is a trending video on TikTok and Reels where you can create a video of yourself with the eerie audio soundtrack of "Who is she?" A Misty Memory from iMonster. So let me show you how to create it. So for this, you will need TikTok and you'll need an app called CapCut. You can download it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you have all these apps, first open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search at the top right. Now you want to search for "Who is she CapCut." Now you get all these videos in your search results. Go ahead and tap on them. And what you're looking for is this icon here, CapCut Free Video Editor. So scroll through these videos and make sure you look out for this button here at the bottom left of the video. Now once you see that, you want to tap on that. Now once you do that, it'll take you to CapCut's template page. Now using this template, you can create this video. So go ahead and tap on Use Template in CapCut. Now this will open up your CapCut application, and on this it'll give you a preview of what your video will look like. So go ahead and tap on Use Template here at the bottom right. Now this will ask you to select 6 media from your photo library, so you can select a mixture of photo or a video. So I'll go ahead and choose that. Once you've selected all your pictures, you can go ahead and tap on Preview. This will now show you a preview of what your video will look like. And once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right. This will now ask you two options. You can save it to the device or you can basically send it to TikTok. So I'll tap on that, save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and will take it to TikTok. Now this will take you to the editing screen of TikTok. Here you want to add the sound. So you want to tap on Add Sound and you want to search for "Who is she?" Now recently TikTok has updated their sound screen. In this new section, you can see all the videos with the related sound. So you can go ahead and play one of these sound and see if this suits the video. So this is the sound which people create with this trending video. So you want to go ahead and select that. Tap on the tick here at the bottom. Once you're happy, go ahead and tap on Next. And now you can add your caption and then post it on TikTok. So that is how to create the trending video called "Who is she?" on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.